Hi there, students. To recondition. Okay, this is to take an old machine and to repair it, or a piece of equipment, to return it to a good condition. Recondition. You put it back in good condition. So this shop sells reconditioned dishwashers. Okay, they take old dishwashers and they repair all of the bits that are broken or worn out and make them good again, make them work well again. And this is to recondition. I think we live in a society where we are trained to throw things away and buy a new one, not recondition old things. So to recondition, to restore to good condition by repairing, by renovating, by do it by restoring things. I think we use this word recondition particularly for machines, for equipment, for a car. So he took an old lawnmower and reconditioned it and sold it. He took an old air conditioning unit and reconditioned it. Yeah, repaired it, renovated the bits that and replaced the bits that didn't work. I think you could recondition a building, although I think very often they use the word revamp for that, to restore to working order. So he found a beautiful old car in a farmer's barn and he reconditioned the barn. It was very difficult to recondition the engine. The reconditioning of the engine was the hardest bit. You could use or you could deal in reconditioned car parts. Yeah, they sell used and reconditioned motorcycle parts, repaired, overhauled, renovated, done up, fixed up, to make new again, to refurbish, to rebuild, to rehabilitate, yeah, to make something work again. It would be quite nice to have a collection of reconditioned 1950s television sets. I think that would be quite interesting. So if you recondition something, you restore it to a functional state, yeah, or you make it look like it was when it was the when it was original. So very often antique furniture, it's very beaten up, it's old, it's been used, and you need to recondition it, yeah, to restore to as close as you can to the original state, to repair, to restore, to fix, yeah. You make something better again, you make it work again, and this is the idea of recondition. I think, but as I said, I think particularly to recondition a machine, to overhaul or to repair a vehicle, an engine, a piece of equipment. You could take an old ship and recondition it to make everything work again, and then you could take it to sea, to give something an overhaul, to renovate, to restore, to fix it up, to put back into good condition by replacing the different parts. I guess you could probably recondition a person as well, a person's attitudes, reconditioning. So to teach somebody to react in a different way, to have different attitudes. Although reconditioning people could be very difficult, I think. Okay, so reconditioned. He sells reconditioned cars, to recondition an engine, to clean, to patch up, to repair, and to put back in a good state, to put back so that it works properly. And this is the idea of to recondition. Let's see, as to origin, to recondition. So re again and condition comes from Old French condition, from Latin conditio, the state of something, the a contract or an agreement as well. So enough. Oh, condition to recondition, formality. 5.5 informality, use anywhere. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To recondition.